Who all can do it? Who all can do it? कौन कौन ये कर सकता है? Who all know him? Who all know him? कौन कौन उसे जानता है? How often do you go? How often do you go? कब कब तुम जाते हो? How often do you meet him? How often do you meet him? तुम उससे कब कब मिलते हो? Where all will you go? Where all will you go? तुम कहाँ कहाँ जाओगे? Where all did you see him? Where all did you see him? तुमने उसे कहाँ कहाँ देखा? What all do you have? What all do you have? क्या क्या है आपके पास? What all can you do? What all can you do? तुम क्या क्या कर सकते हो? When will you meet me? When will you meet me? तुम मुझसे कब मिलोगे? When did I say? When did I say? मैंने कब कहा? When will you go? When will you go? तुम कब जाओगे? When did you see him? When did you see him? तुमने उसे कब देखा? Why do you cry? Why do you cry? तुम क्यों रोते हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why did you lie? Why did you lie? तुमने झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Who knows him? Who knows him? उसे कौन जानता है? Who is bad? Who is bad? कौन बुरा है? Who are you? Who are you? तुम कौन हो? Who can do it? Who can do it? ये कौन कर सकता है? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? Where did you see him? Where did you see him? आपने उसे कहाँ देखा? Where will I go? Where will I go? मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा? Where are you? Where are you? आप कहाँ हो? What can you do? What can you do? तुम क्या कर सकते हो? What did you give him? What did you give him? तुमने उसे क्या दिया? What did he buy? What did he buy? उसने क्या खरीदा? What does he have? What does he have? उसके पास क्या है? How will you go? How will you go? तुम कैसे जाओगे? How is he? How is he? वो कैसा है? How did you do it? How did you do it? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How do you know him? How do you know him? तुम उसे कैसे जानते हो?